Here is how to update your Windows 11 operating system. For this, you have to right-click right here where you'll find the Windows logo. Now let's enter inside settings, and this pop up on my other screen. You can also find settings if you search into the search bar settings. Alright, same path, choose which one you like. Now, once you are in the settings of Windows, you'll find down below Windows Update, and right now we can press on check for updates, and Windows will tell us if we need to update our machine. Now, this won't update everything on our computer. Also, we'll find some drivers. Okay, and it just found something for me. I'll just press on download and install. Now, if you want to find also the other things which you can update, press here on advanced options. And now you'll find optional updates right here. Let's click on it once, and I have a .NET framework update. Let's select that and press on download and install. And right now both updates are being done. For some updates you'll also have to restart your computer after that. Windows will tell you if you have to do that, so keep that in mind when you update your computer. Make sure you'll not do something important on your computer, because you may lose your work while doing it. And also I recommend you not to update your computer during storms, because a power outage may come, and if that happens and you run out of electricity while you update your computer, some files may get corrupted. So that was it. This is how to update on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and bye bye.